Hey Joakim, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a cordless stick vacuum. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one in particular, they call it H01. And right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open it up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So the first thing inside, they do provide an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Next thing inside looks like they provide you guys with the wall mount option. Next thing inside, they do provide the extra filter if you guys need to place it. Next thing inside, they do provide the charging cable that you use to charge up the product. Next thing inside looks like they provide you guys another one, the filter. So there's two of them right here and probably one more inside. Next thing on top, they do provide you guys the actual handle for the product. So let's do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So on top right here, we do have the brand name. Right here, it looks like we do have the indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off. This part right here is where you're gonna put it on a stick. Right here, we do have the button for it to turn it on and turn it off. So let's press it one time. That is basically how you guys turn it on and turn it off, and allow you guys to change the two different modes on here, which is high and low. If you see when we do turn it on, it does light up right here, and it also lights up right here as well. So let's do press on it. And the way how you guys know which mode you guys do have it on is by looking right here. So let's press on it one time. That is low, and that is high. Bottom part right here is basically the battery. So if you need to take it out, you basically want to push this button, and that will allow you to take it out really easily. And the back part of the battery is where you can plug in the cable to recharge it. But once you guys are done, you can put it back together like this. Make sure it snaps in. On the side right here, we do have the fan to prevent it from overheating when you guys do use it. Bottom part right here, we do have the dustbin, and the way how you pour it out is really easy. Just go like this, and that is basically how you guys do open up. If you guys need to take out the filter inside the washer or whatever, all you need to do is twist it and take it out really easily to replace it. Once you're done, you have to put it back in and twist it back on, and it's all set. And if you guys need to take out the dustbin, the way how you take it out is going like this. Take out the battery first. Once you guys take out the battery and twist it to unlock it, just like that. Really easy and really simple. Once you guys are done, you have to put it back together. So that is basically how you guys set up this part right here. And I do want to mention for the inside right here, they do have 5 different stages of filtering inside. So that way when you guys do suck out all the dust, the clean air will come out from the side. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that not only does it have the filter right here, but it also has the filter on top. So when you do unlock it, this is basically what the inside of the filter looks like. So once you guys are done, you have to put it back on. So just like that. So really cool how the product has multiple layers of filter inside to make sure it does have clean air that comes out afterward. So that is basically what the handle looks like. Next up right here, they do provide one accessories. If you guys do take it out, here is basically what the accessory looks like. So this is the first option available. If you guys want to use the brush option, all you need to do is push it out. So just like that. And now you guys can use the brush option if you guys do want to. And then for this side right here is where to insert into vacuum. Next up right here, they provide you guys some screws that can use the screw on the wall mount if you guys do need to. The next thing inside, they do provide you guys a stick if you guys do take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the stick looks like. So when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels super high quality if it's in here. And then right here, we do have the button for you guys to release it. And then here we do have the part for you guys to extend it to make it longer if you guys do need to. So we have to push on the button. If you guys pull it, that allows you guys to make it longer if you guys do want to. And if you guys want to make it shorter, you guys want to push on again and push it back in. So really cool how that gives you guys the option available on here. Next up inside, they do provide another accessory if you guys do take it out. So this one allows you guys to clean hard to reach places in between the crack, maybe in your car or something, which is pretty cool. And last but not least, we do have the last part, which is the bottom of the vacuum. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So top part right here is where you can put it onto a stick. And when you guys do move it, if you can see how it allows you guys to move it up and down, and it goes pretty far down, so that way it can reach underneath like a bed if you guys do need to. And if you guys want to turn it left and right, you also have the option available as well. But when you guys bring it all the way up, it won't stand up by itself, so it does not have the self-standing option on this one. Front part right here, we do have the built-in LED light that will turn on when you guys do use it. And underneath that, we do have the bumper design, so that way when you guys do use it, if you guys bump it against the wall, it won't damage it. So that is basically what the top part looks like. If you guys look at the bottom, here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So we do have 2 big roller wheels right here and 2 small ones on top. that will help you guys glide it really smoothly when you guys do use it. And then right here we do have one of the brush option, and here we do have big brush. So everything will sweep into this little hole right here where just suck out all the dust inside. And then for this part right here, we do have the option for you guys to open up. So with that way, you can take it out if you guys do need to wash it, to clean it or whatever. Once you're done, you can put it back on. So just like that, very easy and very simple. So that is basically what the bottom part looks like. Now let's put everything together to show you guys what the part looks like. So this part right here will go like this. Make sure it snaps in. And then for the top part right here, you do have the option to put on each different accessory head if you guys want to. So this is one of them. So you can definitely use it like that. Or if you guys take it out, you have the option to use it here. And you do have different head like I mentioned. So you can use it like that or like that, which is pretty cool. And once you're done, you just push a button, take it out really easy. But for this test, we'll put it onto right here. So just like that. Once you guys put it all together, this is basically what the part looks like. So if you guys do turn it on, you can see when you guys do turn on, the light does turn on, and it is very bright in terms of the light that's on here, which is pretty cool. And in terms of the wall mount option, the way how you guys use it, you basically want to mount the side onto the wall and just go like this, and that will hold it in place when you guys do mount it on the wall if you guys want to. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Before she tests it out and put this on the ground to show you guys what she looks like, let's plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it. Alright, so we have to plug it on top. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see right here it does show you guys that it's charging. So right now you can see it's only 1 bar, so it's not charged at all. So you do need to fully charge it before you do use it if you guys want the max power. And like I mentioned, the cool thing about this product is the fact that if you guys want to take out the battery, you can definitely take it out to charge it like that if you guys want to as well. But if you guys put it back together, if you guys try to turn it on, it won't work when you guys are charging it. So it only works when you guys do unplug the cable. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now let's put this down on the ground to show you guys what the product looks like when you guys do use it. Alright, so right here we do have the vacuum. You can see how when you guys put it on the ground, this is basically how tall it can go before you guys extend it. Now I'm actually extended to show you guys how high it can go. So let's push on this button. That is basically how high it can go. So you see how it does give you guys a pretty good coverage on here when you guys do use it. And when you guys do turn it on, you can see the light that's on here is pretty bright. So that way you see where you guys are vacuuming in a dark setting. And like I mentioned for the product, when you guys use it, if you guys try to stand it up, it won't stand up because it doesn't have a self-standing option. But the cool thing about the product, if you can see the way how I designed it, it allows you guys to bring it up and bring it down really easily. So that will reach underneath your bed if you guys do need to, or even like your sofa. And if you guys want to turn left and right, you can turn left and right really easily. And then in terms of battery life on here, when you guys do use it, if you guys use the max speed level on here, you guys can get anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. And if you guys use the lowest setting on here, you can get around like 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes. But let's turn it on to show you guys what the pot looks like when you guys do use it. If as in here, when you guys do use it, it is pretty quiet, it's not that loud. So what that means is the power that's on here is not as powerful as a lot of other ones from this brand. But it is enough for you guys to clean your floor if you guys do need to clean like small little stuff. And when you guys do roll it, it definitely glides really smoothly on here because that big wheel on the bottom that I show you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want these warranties, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality cordless stick vacuum that give you guys everything that's one on here. And if you guys don't mind the fact that how it doesn't have like the self-standing option on here, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have warranties, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.